Well, this is Martin Bryan, and it's a program called Live a Light On. Today's motivation is about being right. It is from the Judicial Department. The good people don't need the law for them to do what is right. And also, the bad people will still find their ways around the law. So whatever thing, if someone is meant to be bad, the person will be bad even if there is law. That's why you can see there are a lot of prisons. There is police, there is military, and also there is the prison for the lawbreakers. And still there are some lawbreakers who break the law even after they have been tried. And there are those who are just very okay, despite even if the laws were to be removed. That's all.
But if you carry on abusing, you'll be robbed from us. I refuse to lose another friend on drugs. Just come home, don't let go. If you look into the distance, there's a house up on a hill.